Hey guys, and welcome to my apartment in Da Nang, Vietnam, where I've been living for the last 2 months, and it costs only $300 and it's 5 minutes from the beach. But in 2 days, I'm moving to a new place because I found better deal that's cheaper and better location. So in this video, I want to show you the full tour of both apartments, the price breakdown, what's included, and the locations. And if you stick until the end of the video, you get a special bonus from me because I'm gonna show you exactly how to find the best deal in Da Nang in just 2 hours. So let's dive into it. I chose this place because look at this bedroom. It's so cute. Yellow bed sheet, picture like a painting from Vietnam. You have also sofa like a chilling space. And now I'm going to show you the view from window to the street. As you can see, the street is quite quiet. And I also live on the 5th floor, which makes it even better because during the night you can sleep nicely. There is no street sound at all. Okay, except Papa. But once you close the window, you don't hear it. There is a big wardrobe for clothes, TV, but I never use this TV. Here there is a little balcony where there is a laundry room. There's washing machine, you can do laundry there and hang it here. There is no balcony here, unfortunately. It's just like this, you know. I don't like it really much. There is air condition, and here on the ceiling there is also an extra fan to cool down even better. And here we have a glass door, like a glass wall. But once you close it, the cooling bedroom is even faster. Bedroom cools down like, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes. Moving further, dining and kitchen area looks like this. And as I mentioned, there is no air condition in that area, which makes it very hot. The air condition is only in the bedroom with the fan that helps cool down, and it's very nice for sleeping. But once you want to cook here, oh my god, sometimes in the evening it's really hot. So kitchen is very small, but we have everything here well organized. So that's the main reason why I'm leaving this place, because once you close this glass door, then the cooling and the cold temperature is only in the bedroom. And the bathroom is quite spacious and very nice. Hello. I like that there is a space here so you can put all your cosmetic and stuff. Toilet. Here is a lot of space on the shelves, and the shower is quite big. And how does it work with hot water? So basically here we have such a little tool to turn it on, and in few minutes we have hot water. Then we just turn it off and that's it. Okay, let's dive into the price breakdown for the current apartment. So the rental fee is 9.5 million Vietnamese dong. The electricity bill for month of June, it was 1,128,000 Vietnamese dong, and the water bill was just 100,000 Vietnamese dong. In total, we paid 10,728,000 Vietnamese dong, which is 351 euro. Let me know in the comments if that's a lot or not for Vietnam. Now let's talk about what's included in the apartment in this price. Fast Wi-Fi, that's working very well. We never had any issues with the Wi-Fi here. Also, what's included in the price is the weekly cleaning. So we have the cleaning lady that comes here every week, and she changed the bed sheet for us, and that's great. I don't have to do laundry and wash my sheets. We didn't need to buy anything for this apartment. Everything is included, so it's so well prepared that you just move in and you can start living right away. Also, we didn't need to sign any contract physical on the paper with our landlord. She agreed to rent it for 1 month, and then we postponed for another month of July, and we paid the rent and the fees by cash to the landlord directly. And the contract was done only via WhatsApp. You know, all the communication is very clear via WhatsApp, and the landlady speaks very well English. Okay, I'm gonna show you now my rooftop area and around the location. This is our beautiful big balcony with all the flowers, chairs and sofas to chill. But what's best about this balcony is this view. Look at this. You can see Lady Buddha literally. Yes, she's right there looking at you. Look what's here. Look at this part. We have also bathroom here to take shower, yoga mats, and here you have space to do your morning yoga. Wow, isn't it great? Even a little mirror. I'm just chilling on my rooftop terrace with this beautiful sea view and Buddha view. I can just bring here my coffee, my breakfast, my laptop, whatever I want, and just be here watching the how beautiful life is, yeah, and beautiful apartment. But I could stay here longer, but it's very hot, and I still have to show you the street. So I will take you now with me on the street of Da Nang, just to show you the surrounding area of my apartment. So that's how we enter the apartment with this locker and the gate we open. And here we have the scooter area where we park our scooters. And as you can see, the area is quite big and it's very colorful, so make it also nicer. And that's the outside of the apartment. Very calm street, not very busy. And this is the building where we live. And we live just 5 minutes walking distance from Danang Beach. So this is the location of the first apartment. Now let's go into the new apartment. Welcome. This is my new apartment. It's brand new and it looks like a hotel. I really love it. Like the bed is so comfortable. I have this beautiful table, nice painting, flowers, big TV, and very nice view from the window. And a bedroom area that is beautiful, like in a hotel room, with air condition and extra fun, with a big TV and a balcony, which is quite small. Here is my favorite area where I can work, drink coffee, enjoy just my morning routine. It's really beautiful. The painting and the flowers on the table, the chairs, very comfortable. And here is the kitchen where I have also washing machine that is brand new. A lot of space to put the dishes, glasses and food. My previous apartment didn't have a range hood, but this one has. So it's a big advantage. You can either turn it off like just doing the hand movement. Oh, that's it. Very nice. And I have induction. It looks also better and newer than the previous apartment. And here is the bathroom. So the shower, it's quite small, but fits all my cosmetics and I can fit perfectly inside the shower. Most important is that it's new, was never used by anyone. That's really, really nice. Also the sink. Here, space for my cosmetics, soap. And the toilet. Nothing special, but I like it. And this is how it looks when you enter the apartment. On the left, it's bathroom. On the right, it's a kitchen. Moving forward, you go to the bedroom and dining living room area. So I think this apartment is quite nice. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. But at least here I have one air condition for the whole apartment. So it never gets too hot in the kitchen. So this cooling system is working for the whole apartment at the same time. Okay, let's talk about money. So the rental fee for this place is 8.5 million. Plus, for electricity, I paid for August 708,000 Vietnamese dong. Water fee was 100,000 Vietnamese dong. And in total, for month of August, it was 9,468,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around $360. And what's included in this apartment is also weekly cleaning, that is every Saturday. What I really love about this place is how modern and cute it is. It looks very nice and aesthetic. The chairs are so cozy, very nice to work here and drink my coffee. And walking to the beach is only 7 minutes, so that's also a great advantage. Also going to my gym, it's around 8-10 minutes walking distance. Also to a very famous my An area, which is full of restaurants and nice cafes where I usually go. It's around 15 minutes walking distance. I'm gonna show you now my rooftop. And this is the rooftop area. Look at this. I have a chairs, a sea view, and a gym. Yes, we have a gym in our building. So cool. There's also a big terrace here over there, so we can also dry our clothes here. We have a view for Marble Mountains. Also, when is a like good visibility, over there you can see Bana Hills somewhere there. So this huge terrace, gym, sea view makes this place really, really something, really special. And as promised, I will show you now how to find such great deal in Da Nang in less than 2 hours. So you just have to make a post on the Facebook group like apartments for rent in Da Nang, like I did here. I'm looking for apartment for rent for long term in this area, and I marked right below my An area because my An is quite touristic and busy, so it's quite loud area. And but if you don't know where you want to live, you can just say like 5 minutes walking from the beach. And the price, I put maximum 12 million, but this is way too much for such a little apartment. Like I have like a studio, you can get very nice studio from 6 million to 8.59, maximum 10 million. And you will see how many people are responding to your messages, will respond to your messages like right away. Many people, many agents will contact you, and you can just DM them, send them private message, and go to see the apartment in the very same day, and very easily you can find a deal. And you can see how nice the apartments for rent are in Da Nang. So beautiful, modern, right next to the beach for 300 euros or dollars. Look, even some people put videos to show you how the apartment looks, so you can even imagine before going. So if you guys have any questions or planning to move to Da Nang and wondering which area will be the best for you to rent an apartment, let me know in the comments below and I'll respond to all of you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Vietnam and Da Nang videos. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!